Say hello to the all-new Smart Pot 2 by Nutricook. With a stunning gloss black or brushed stainless steel finish, the Smart Pot 2 is so much more than an electric pressure cooker. It's your kitchen superhero, making cooking easier and faster than ever before. It combines 10 popular appliances in one and makes every bite a little bit tastier and juicier. 12 customizable presets take the guesswork out of cooking your favorite foods. The Smart Pot 2 comes with new features that were designed for your ease. Bright LED display, cooking status indicator, Sous Vide. The Smart Pot 2 even has a smart lid with an automatically sealing steam release. And once the cooking is finished, the quick release button lets the pressure out. It's fast, safe, and simple to use. Imagine being able to cook everything from curry to cake in one pot. Unlike conventional cooking, the Smart Pot 2 allows you to walk away. Just think, perfectly cooked dinner while you watch TV. With only one pot to clean, there's no need to worry about cleanup. Cook faster, cook safer, cook smarter with a Smart Pot 2. Elevate your kitchen with Nutricook.